Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. This week we're going to be working on a couple Achieve 3000 articles. For today, you're going to go ahead and go over this selection and story. It's a 5-step lesson, life science, structure and functions. It is called Ill. Don't touch that. So let's go ahead and click on it. I've already assigned it, so you should just be able to open it up on your account. So let's look at the before the reading poll. Remember, we do have our highlighters and all that stuff that we can use. Viruses, okay. Viruses can grow and respond to changes in their environment. Do you agree or disagree? Right now, with what's going on in our society and our world with the coronavirus pandemic, I would have to say I agree. I agree that viruses can spread and grow in the environment and make it a pandemic if not treated or contained. Okay, so I'm going to agree. I have my answer here, my sentence. Don't forget to input your sentence. Then I'm going to submit. Okay, so then we're going to go to the article. Remember, you do have the functions right here that it can read to you, so you can go ahead and play the play button for yourself. Okay, so you can't hear the audio, but it's reading it to you and when it's highlighting. So again, here's the play button, here's the stop button. Okay, and then here you can select the audio speed. If you're like, no, it's going too fast. So you can go ahead and click on slow speed. And now when you press play, it, it's slowing down the audio. So I recommend that one if you're having issues or trouble with that. So let's look at the article real quick. It's in Washington, D.C. If someone in your home has the sniffles, beware of doorknobs and the TV remote control. A recent study revealed that cold sufferers often leave their germs on common household surfaces. Their study shows viruses can survive for 2 days. And if you click on the vocabulary word, it's going to give you the definition. So also if you want to hear it, it's going to press here play. You can press play. So you can have that option for it to read it to you as well. So I encourage you to continue using all this stuff here that we've used in class to help you achieve and answer these questions. Let's go ahead and look at the activity. It does have questions. Remember, it's based on your Lexile score. So some of you have more questions, some of you have less, some of you have a couple only. So let's look at the question real quick. Select the letter for the correct answer. According to the article, why did scientists test various surfaces in the homes of people who were suffering from colds? So once you select your answers, you submit, and depending on the type of score that you have, it's going to tell you how many questions you're going to get. Then you're going to go ahead and take the reading poll again, the after reading poll. After you read the article, do you still agree with what you indicated before you read the article? So this is after you read, okay? And again, do not forget your question. I mean, your sentence here in the bottom. And if it is the same exact response, you can go ahead and just copy and paste here. I wanted to show you also here. If you say it, it's going to record it. So you can also use this feature here that we have. So use everything that you want to help you in your reading articles, in your sentences. So I encourage you to use this as well. Okay, so then you have your thought question. This is after you read, after you answered the questions, after you voted. It tells you here. A common misconception is that a virus is a living organism. Why is this statement incorrect? Explain the concept correctly. Why do you think some people have this misconception? Cite facts from the readings as well as what you may already know about the topic in your response. So you need to make sure you explain here. I need the sentence. So once you do that, you know you need to submit. Then you're gonna see the poll results, how people voted. Most people agreed, and they really didn't change their mind. Well, some did. And then here you have the math portion of the Achieve article question. It gives you percentages. And here you have a stretch article. Okay, some of you are not doing the stretch article. Make sure you are answering and reading the stretch article because that is giving you assignments and grades as well. So with the stretch article, it's a continuation of what you're reading. It's giving you more information. And then make sure you do the stretch activity, which are questions. Okay. So I'm giving you today and tomorrow to have that done. Let me show you here in the classwork. I've already created it for you. So once you are done, you go to your class on Google. You can go to stream. It's going to pop out here already that I already posted the new assignment. Then you go to student work and then you submit. So let me show you. Let me go back. See if I can view the assignment. Okay, so I'm going to put view. I'm going to put edit. So then you would just submit here. Here I have the instructions. Achieve 3000 article and activity. Don't touch that. Please read the following article and activity. You do all the portions that we just reviewed. Again, you submit on Achieve 3000. You just come back here and type submit it. What helps me also if you put submit it on and then put April 6th, April 7th. Give me the date as well, just so I can have that double reference to check when I'm grading your Achieve assignments. Okay, so make sure if you need any help, I'm here available. You can text me on Remind. You can email me. You can message me. You're also able to comment here. So don't be shy. If you have questions, you can type right here in the comments. Anything that you need, I'm here available for you guys. Again, remember, we're going to be meeting once a week through Google Meet, and we'll be reading here, working on Achieve, doing articles, doing assignments. On Tuesday, I'm probably going to create also another vocabulary assignment, just like we did last week, linking it to the Achieve. So make sure you are following our upcoming due dates. Right here on the side, you're always going to see what's upcoming, what's going to be due, and the date that it's going to be due. Have a great day.